There we go. Right. Let's skip all the introductions and just get into it. So, I'm setting up this currently. This side is pretty much done. I just got to set this side up. So we're going to have probably fuel generators in there, battery backup. Then that's going to be a spare strut, as well as that's a spare strut over there. Then everything will be handling all the waste from these two is that one. No, sorry, that one. And then these need a rework because this is the new version of the shell and that is currently the old version. But let's get this up and running so I can start generating some nuclear waste and then get this side to generate the Fixonium fuel rods. That's the plan. Now, I don't know if this will work or not, but the way I've done this is this outputs sulfuric acid, outputs 19 per minute. It's no good. So I've got that going into this bottom pipe underneath here, which then runs this way underneath here, and then it goes directly into these. Now I've put a one-way valve here, which then enables me to which then brings this along, and then it collects some more, and then it goes back round all the way down on the top, and then it just loops back into here. So these will empty first before anything else. So if these are full, these will empty first, and then these will kick in when needed to. And then I can always stick a valve in if I need to, so that kind of works out that way. What else do I need? I need uranium coming in, which is going to be one of these two. I've got the extra fuel cells to go out, which will be one of these. And everything down here is already working away, so I've already got a back stock of all the items here. So everything you see here is making everything which is needed. So you got the electromagnetic control rods, the encased industrial beams, and that's the recipe I'm using for that. Obviously we've got the concrete, which is going to be made again by this machine. So I've got this machine making concrete for these, or I might change it up so these make concrete as well for this setup, so that will free up one of them. But then again, it might work, it might not. I would power these up, but I really am nervous at the minute. But at first I need to get the outputs of these to go down out of the way, which I've already kind of in the middle of. So we'll just do this now. Yeah. So let's get these down here to this level. Yeah, that would do. And then, yeah, we'll do that internal wall panels. That this build anyway. If you ever played Satisfactory, you'll know that the most things you end up killing is your mouse wheel. I wish there was joking about that, but it's true. Right, so goes down to there. So if I do this, that can go down to here. Come on. There we go. No. Yeah. There we go. Let's bring that a bit closer because I don't think that's getting my mic a bitch. Mic a bitch. Doing there now. So that limits how much is going to go along there. And then this can go either way. Is there sensitivity on this? What I can change? No? It just feels like it's cutting in and then you're able to hear me and then just cuts out again. Well, let's see when I play this back. Right, so these have got to go all the way around the whole place. So this belt will be running down here. Be running through here. Oh, you would do that, wouldn't you? Where's the middle? 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. So middle is there. Yeah. So the way I've planned this out is a single belt system. Because this is where all the fuel rods are being made for all these reactors. It will be coming down this belt, going into this reactor first. Well, reactors. And then it will come do the loop inside there and then come along here. And then this line here will be the return. And then somewhere I may do storage. So if that's going to be an empty one, that might be the storage for these. So I have got a drone port with a load of containers over that direction there at the minute, just full of uranium. It's, there you go, nuclear fuel storage, because I absolutely emptied this whole area of it. So the reason I'm doing this is because of I'm just future proofing at the minute, getting everything in. So yeah, I best do this one. I know. So I haven't built this one up yet. So this will be just building up the reactor room, which will include me having no power in here. Oh, I've got power. So let's make sure I've got power down the sides. So that should pick up now. And then, yeah, that'll pick up there. And then pick up there. That's it. So all of these are like pretty ready to go down there. But I don't think I did it that way though. I don't know why I did it like that. Why did I do it like that? Did I think of a different way of doing it? So these are going to be 300 lines. Yeah, these are going to be 300 lines, so I'm going to need overclock. I have got oh, looks like my factory's shut down. Oh dear. Right, so let's clear this out. This enables us to then get the next piece. Now there's 4 reactors down each side, so I could do like 2 down each one. Give it a 600 line if I needed it. So that's what I'll be doing. Yeah. Be doing like 2 of these down here, overclocked, so it'll give 600 for the line. And these fit nicely down here. Only just. Ah, can't be nudged. That's in the right place anyway. There we go. Lindsay line up. Do that. Okay, that's the pumps for that done. Oh, these ain't centered. Where's that one? Right. And then if I bring this up. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's annoying. Oh well. Yeah. Right. So get these two for 300. I need to do this. So that's all now 300. So then I just connect this up to there. And then we'll just finish this off here. I mean, this is pretty much. Now you notice I ain't put anything here. It's because we're going to have like a small roof over this bit. But I need, with the upgrade, this is it's going to be a merger there, and then smart splitter. And that's how this is pretty much going to be set up. So I go into there. Now I'm going into there. Now bridge it. Well, the way I've done it is any overflow will be kind of like led back out, but I need to find where my, is it here? No, it's one over. It's here. So I'm just gonna do this is so I know what my inputs are and outputs. Leave that open for now. Bring that down here. Right. I have tested this and it actually does really work really well. Right, now this is where the wiring comes in. So you'll want two switches. One's for the pumps, one's for the reactor to the main grid. The reason I say this is because this, with your backup battery, if this goes down and there's no power anywhere and something's blocked up or anything, you can clear the blockage by putting like a container down, click on the battery's breaker, and then have it taken over. So if I bring this in, I've already set one up. So not labelled it very good though. So power shell 3, power shell 4, which is where we are. Shell 1B strut. 3 and 4 main output main. So I switch that off. Nothing happens. Why doesn't nothing happen? Have I connected that? Oh, there might be a cross wire somewhere. This is not good. So this should, yeah, that cuts off power in this area. So that's this whole area now isolated. This whole side of the shell is now isolated. And if that, so you can isolate it and then use your power and backup generators to get the pumps working again. And if you still got the grid connected and it just trips as soon as you start all your other machines on this side, it's just a way of isolating. So this one will be pumps. Oh, I've got caps lock off. R1. No, I didn't. My keyboard decided to cut out on me. Here. So R1. Pumps. See, these won't be. I'm wondering if it would be worth. Maybe I should redesign this as well. Because I kind of like redesigned it so it's like one wire goes around the whole thing and then the priority switches inside each strut to then power that strut on or off. Or I'm just wondering. Let me think this out. So there we go. It's starting up. Okay. Just think about over there for a minute. It's alright, my tablet's starting up. Here we go. No. Battery flat? Yeah, the battery's flat. Smeg. Ah, balls. I was going to use that to draw out a plan. Can't draw out a plan if it's flat. Okay, so plan B, just draw it inside my head. Right, anyway, yeah, pumps. I can place the pumps. Place the pumps. So let's place a wall here. Because then I think I did in the other one. This is where having a great distance between the two is not a good idea. So place that wall there. And then place an architectural roof. I think it's 2 meter. It is a 2 meter. Yay. Right, and then I did. Trying to remember now. I ain't touched this project for a while. Like I built that one, shell free one, like ages ago, months ago now. I just never got around to this one because something else always cropped up. Right. So if I do. So obviously the main switch. That's my main line coming in. I do want to try and hide a cable, so yeah. I don't know how to do this one though. Or shall I? Hang on, let's do this. Let's do this. Where is it? No production. No Xmas. No. Right. That's how big this is. I'm literally able to get a blueprint in here. Yeah, because then I ain't got to keep on building it again and over again and over again. So let's see if I can do this first. I doubt it'll let me. And one there. Then the wall. Which I used like glass. And then I built, where was it? 2 of these. Do I want to do the power connectors underneath? Yes, ideally. That is a very good point. See, on the other one I did is storage factory. There we go. And switch room. This is how I did this switch room. So that's how I did that switch room. And then everything was in. I don't think that I'll be able to do that here, but oh, should I do that though? This is what you get for not planning. Or planning on the fly. Fly planning. Good. Not good at all. Foundations, that. So I build this. No, not priority switch. Don't need a priority switch. One there, one there. See, these ones here are going to be double. It's going to be 2 of them. and then you got a single. So I need to make two versions of these. One for these in the corners, and then one for these ones in the middle. So slightly bigger. Or do I just merge it? Just move all the switches to here. 6. I really need these many switches. Do I? There's nothing really stopping me from like using this one for these and then just get rid of the ones I don't need. Better than having to do 2 of them. Just put 2 down and then delete one I don't want. You know what? Yeah, we'll modernise it. Means I'm doing a blueprint. Let's modernise it. So. Oh, that's not right. There we go. Right, and then do that. And then I won't have to worry about hiding the wires. Or is that a better way of hiding the wires? So obviously that needs to come down here as well. Because that's the pumps. That's a power from a reactor. Yeah, the reason I put this switch in is because if you try and like troubleshoot, like why ain't I getting enough power? You just switch one off, see it drop, or you can just isolate it. And then if you want to, you can run a power cable from it. Right. That's not going to save it like that, is it? So what I'll do is... yeah. It might work, it might not. Right, let's try this. Yeah, to switch. Board. Select directory, shell project, add blueprint here. Icon. Oh god. That. Select that on because it's yellow for power. And save. Well, that's actually quite a few resources just for that switch. And might not be shell project. Switch. Right. Ah, don't you dare do this to me. Alright, really? It's done it to me. Really? Why? Why? So it's like snaps onto... You snap onto that, but you won't snap onto that. You snap on where I don't want you, but then you won't snap on where I want you. Right, okay. Fine, okay. Yeah, because it's like clipping into that, that's probably why. Alright, switch blueprint. Unless I just group them together. So bring all the controls over to this one, and then that is then these two, and then that one is then them two, and that switchboard is them two, and then this switchboard is them two. Yep, we'll do that. Right. Yeah. Be better. Because then I can wire these. I only need to do 4 then. Instead of all of them. Right, let's clear. Clear blueprint. Let's get rid of you. I don't think I'm going to get this up and running today. I really wanted to get it up and running today. But then again, I completely forgot I ain't done this. I thought it was just a case of setting it up and then just, I thought I already built in here. I also didn't. You know what this means now, don't you? I now have to update the other one. Oh, what? Why? Why do you do this to yourself? Ooh, do I bring the wall forward? And then just have these going straight across? Because then that gives me all of this space behind here to then hide batteries if I need to. Future-proof it. There's really nothing to stop me from like sticking like 2 reactors down the middle either. Apart from the roof. See, that's the main power coming into this strut. I have to leave that underneath here to then go to these. So pumps. Yeah, if I convert that into pumps, which is no mean pump. So that would be reactors. Both of these can be pumps. Because then that one will join to that one, and then that one will disappear. And that will disappear to the main grid, which is them. That. So if I go, I'll drag that down here. So I can always redo this, and then bring this over here in line with that, which is this line here. Yeah, I just seen what I just made. Bloody thing. What's this super? No. I changed my bloody thing. That. I have a first one. pole, wasn't it? Right. You can connect to that. You can go all the way along here now and connect to that. Because then you connect to the grid, and then you connect to the grid. And then you're the grid connection for all of these. So that's the pumps now. This is reactors. So reactor 1. Two. One pumps. Reactor 2 pumps. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, and then that goes through here. So it won't matter where it goes because this will be all hidden. So, ooh, I put that in an awkward spot there. I ain't too fussed about that. I'm just want it to connect. As long as it's connected, and as long as you can't see how a connection's been made at the back. I thought I selected the wrong one then. So these are all now connected. Yeah, ain't too fussed about that. There's going to be a glass wall in front of these anyway. And then all this is going to be floor. No, in fact, let's do the floor. Because I don't think I'm going to need to go underneath there for a while now. I have actually done concrete through that. Just makes the a bit more. Then I'll just hide these. Leave these open. Right, I'll do that in a minute. Finish that off in a second. Just got to get these connections done now. So reactors are connected. I just got to bring these two cables forward and then down. So, save. So let's do this. So you need to come. You need to be in line with this, ideally. This side here. And then go across here. And then you'll go down. There we go. Oh, that ain't shown outside, is it? No. Cool. Right. And then the second one. Go all the way across here to this line here, which you can't see down now because it's a different colour. And that, and then that can go down here. Goes to that one, and then that goes to that one. And I just need to pipe that in. Pipe this in, repipe this one in. Let's repipe this one in. Yeah, let's do a clean pipe. And then that should be center of that. Noodle vertical. That's it. Because then I need to know if I need to put any pumps in, which I will. So if we go up here now, so pumps. I think I'll need at least 2 pumps. I don't think the pump would actually make it all the way up there. Ah, there you go. That's where the current one stops. Is that actually getting water? Yeah, it is. Why is that not getting water then? They're the same distance. Huh? That's full of water. That one isn't. Or is this just filled up with water now and it's just maybe... Who said that we didn't need to go underneath there anymore? Oh no, I stand corrected. It is actually pumping it. I could do like an overflow pipe, like just piece this off here and then have that pipe go all the way down and then reconnect. Then the force of that would push the water back up and then create a loop. Right, anyway, that's one down. 20 more to go. I don't want to do anything fancy with the belts. Don't want to do anything fancy with the belts. And that will do that. That will do this, and hopefully in line with that. I best... Yeah, I best sort this out now, because this has got to go up here. And it's got to go across here. And then it'll go what I think is the center, which is this one? No, this one. I'm right, aren't I? Yep, center. And then I grab that. That'll split off the other direction. That just needs to be a normal splitter. It doesn't need to be a costly splitter. And any overflow that way. Uranium. I can do this now. And then paste in that one. Because this might be a mixed belt, it's best to do this now, then regret it later. Otherwise you'll end up with waste on this. So that's one side done, which has no power. Oh, that's got no water now. Okay, so maybe it does need a pump, which means this needs a pump. So let's put a pump, just make sure. Alright, and that's why we have... Oh no, that's connected to the wrong one, isn't it? Right, yeah. Let's do... connection there for that one. So I actually filled that up like in that couple of seconds I put that on that loop. Right, okay. Right, and then that one will come along here into there. Oh, do I want it to do that? Or do I have it just go round in a circle and then back out? That might be better. Because original I dropped down and then that belt comes here, goes around, and then comes back in and out. I think that would be better. That will be better. So I've got another 4, 5, 6. Got another 6 of them to do. And most of it was just faffing about with switches. Yay. Right, let's do this again. I don't know why I chose these pipes. Why did I choose these pipes? Why did I choose these pipes? There we go. Oh, this one needs a switch. Hey, didn't I put a switch on this? Oh. Whoops. Missed one. And 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's this one now. And then I do the same again. Ooh, they're actually in the floor. Oops. Yeah. So I altered these around, didn't I? And got rid of that one. Put that one there. No, sorry. Put that higher up. The ideal thing would be right, yeah. That's how that works. So these are all got the power coming in. I mean, look how close my power is at the minute. Why is my production at 30,000? That's with everything switched off. See, that's why I'm building this. Because each of these are pumping out 2,500. I've got 16, which is... So this side's got 16, the other side's got, and that's 32. And then 32 times 2,500, 80,000. And that's what you want, an 80,000 megawatt power supply. Because then that will not even chunk into that at a minute. Well, it looks like I started this one, but then something cropped up, probably a power cut or something. So, yeah. Right, that's that. And then we need to add the... Shall I do this different? No, I'll stick to the same. Stick it to the same water. Okay, so one there, and one there. So there's less room there. Or did I clip through? Did I clip through? I clipped through. Okay. I did clip through. I did clip through like that. Like that. Just hope that me building doesn't start all the factories up. But so hold that in position for now. I mean, I don't really like it clipping, but it needs to fit. Right. I got spun round here. Oh god. The wrong way round. Balls. Let's have a sip of tea. That's the problem. Oh, it's cold. Actually, yeah, let's finish off. Might as well. All of them were wrong. So, right, let me get a bit of rotation. Right. So I need this one to be here, ideally, and then this one to be here. And that allows me to place these two in place, and that's all I gotta worry about. Yeah. What's going on with my webcam here, man? It's in like a 3.0 port, but it's like really slow. Like, it's like I'm in the Matrix. Oh me. So put them in there and there, and then we do this. Yeah, center and center, and then this goes all the way up here. That's not going to be centered. Oh, right, okay. I thought I messed up then. Oh. Oh, I like that. Like, just puts like a little kink in it, like a plumber's messed up and like did like a really stylish, put like a stylish kink in it to like bring it straight and level and nice. Right. Okay. That's that. Right. Power now. So I want. So reactor 1, 2. Now let's put the glass in front of here so we know. So you get full effect. And then you just imagine like a bit of backlighting as well. And that's the finer details. We'll work that out later. Just keep on hearing myself go. Oh. Right. So if I plonk this, yeah, I'll do that, and then that there. So this one will need to go to that one, and this one needs to go down to this one, which I'll just plonk straight into there. So that's connected now, that's connected now. That's all connected. Right, just got to do the pumps now. Oh yeah, let's name these. So 1, 2. Reactor 3. Let's just copy and paste that in the next one. Reactor 4. Reactor 3 pump. Reactor 4 pump. Did name these already, didn't I? Reactor 1 pumps, reactor 2 pumps. I'll put S on the end. Nah, we'll leave it. Right. Let's see if we have. Oh no, I can wire these up. So this is reactor 3. Yeah, reactor 3. So this needs to go all the way to there and all the way to here. And go down here. Stick that there in case I need the pump there. I know I'm going to need a pump out bottom, so I might as well just place these now. And there. Go to there, that can go to there. And that can go all the way up here. I've done that better. That's annoying. Go like that. Yeah, it's clicking a bit, but it's going to come underneath here. Right, so not exactly in line with that, am I? Just one behind it. Like that. Right, let's start the pumps. On there. Oof. Now did I? I didn't, did I? These are still using the old. I have actually thought of using like bottled fuel. Not fuel. So what does these take? Okay, plutonium fuel rods, fixonium fuel rod. See, one of shells. I think shell 3 will have to be. Shell 1 will have to be the plutonium one. Ooh, that's good. Not going to be good. And then shell 4 can be the other one. So am I in line with that? Yeah. Let me place these in line. So one there. Right, and then that does a full loop around here. I'll go there. That'll go there. Ish. No. I'll go there. And then this one. Go there. And this one. Go there. Which means I've gone wrong somewhere. So that's not lining up. Okay. Won't argue with that one. Place the belts in the middle, yeah. Let's do the belts. Why didn't I do the belts first? Then I'll be in, out the way. Then you got faff about and doing all this. So that's the last one. That would be like that, wouldn't it? Right. And then this one, we'll just do the same. Yeah. Oh yeah. Keeps it quite tidy when you have a way I did it. Yeah, cool. Ah, balls. That's wrong. That's it. So I just got to bring these bolts down now. Same way I did these. Bring these bolts down as well. No. Sit. Get rid of that one. That one, that one, that one. Did I at least prep any of these? No. Oh dear. Right. That's actually not. No, hang on. Yeah, there's a point. I ain't put the other pumps in yet. Ain't finished doing the pumps. Yeah, it needs pumps. It needs another pump. Go there, and then we'll just place it as well. So then that one is connected to that one, and then this one is connected to that one. I need a connection here. So there we go. Whirling away, and then that should be full of water now. That's full of water now. I quite like that setup. I'm slightly annoyed that I didn't do all the others like it now. But then again, this goes from update 3, so what do you expect? This build started in update 3. Yeah. You know what? I actually might, and then I might lead it into. No, just leave it as it is. Just carry on how it is. Get these others done, and then get the uranium into the thing. Get all of that done first, and then go back and improve them. Well, as you improve it, and then you think, I need to do all the others now, and then you end up doing that, and then it just goes on forever. So this is the pools. Oh, if you ever died above in water and you're like, oh no, I'm going to get my stuff back. Let me introduce you to the diving bell. Right? And you can't do anything about it, but Guess who's broke the game? This person has. Yeah. It's probably a nice block down there now. Oh, that's back to a map. Ah. Who didn't drag power down here, just in case? Right, let's see. I've only got like 2 more to do, pump-wise. Everything else is in. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. No, what? I thought I messed up then. I thought I did the same as last time. No way, they just managed to get that dead center then. No way. That's annoying. There we go. And then we do the same for this. And this is when you find out that they'll add the you know what? Let's do it the other way around. That might be better. Why is that saying it's clicking? Oh, because of the roof. Okay. So underneath here we've got room now to like expand if we need to. Not like we'll actually need to, but I think I'll just get this up and running first and then work out how everything's going. So I really do need this up and running. I need to get. I want to go on the good stuff and not worry about power. Which I shouldn't have to worry about power for a while. This, at least. I just regret building it in like a big shell where it's like takes you about 5 minutes to get from one side of the other to the other. Kind of regret that one. Right, that's set up, isn't it? No, I didn't set that up. I didn't set this one up either. Oh, did I set you up? Oh, then, yeah. Set that one up, didn't set the others up. Let's set this one up. Yeah. Well, did everything else, but the one I actually needed to do. That's good. So get rid of that one. Bring that up onto there. Get rid of that one. Bring that cable down here. Get all the A's up. can probably take the power from that one. And across here. Yeah, that'll work. And then, right, get these wired up. Get the pumps on, so I ain't got to come back down here. Now I know I definitely need pumps. Don't go down any further. Right, I am actually going to do this like slightly off camber. So if I go straight up here, you know, like that, and then bring. No. Alright, let's do this instead. Let me just look straight up. That is not straight at all. That is straight. Okay. Oh. Who would have thought it? Yeah, that would be pump for that. That'll be a pump for there. So yeah, I need to go. Ooh. So that one will go here. So this will be 1, 2, 4. This will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's powering that now. No. Yet no. I thought there's a gap there then. Right. Okay. Yeah, let's do. That goes to that. Then that needs to go in line with here. This here. And that needs to go down there. Wait. There we go. And then reactor 7 pump. Click that on. Reactor. No, team. Heavy 6, won't it? Where did I get 8 from? Where did I get 7 from? So that'd be pump 5. Yeah. We've done 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I've got no water here. I am on. These are all in standby. Oh, hang on. That's why. Oh, that hasn't got a pump connected. I put these pumps the wrong way around. No, I haven't. Right, so is this one showing water in there now? Yes. Is this one? Yes. So they're ready for fuel. Just had fuel. I've got one more now to do. And then we are done. Wow. I say done. Nowhere close yet. I actually might bring that forward. Yeah, right. Just need to rejig this about now. I probably forgot. Forgot a connection somewhere. And then that one joins onto that one. So then that's all the main lines for here. Check, 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 check. Have I done these? I haven't. See? Already forgot. So reactor 5, 6. And these I ain't too fussed about. Oh no, you know what? I don't like that. Going through there. I'll just bring that across here. Then it can go through there. I can go through that. I think I can really see it from this side. Hey, can't really see it. Right, last. I've done belts, haven't I? Done the belts? Belts. Yeah, I've done the belts. Cool. Right, yeah, it's just the last one now. And then we can get the uranium in, and then it can start making stuff, and then it can start moving everything about. I might have to alter the side. Alright, let's do this. Because I've got to turn around here. Right. I need to make more of these. One there. One there. One there. And one there. That needs to go back. Not a lot. Just enough so it's like... Eh? Oh, I am fully clipping in there. Okay. Okay. Cool. Right there. Right there. Which center? Alright. Right, let's run this up. Let's run you up. Right, let's wire you up as well. think all the other streams are like sense not to do projects like this, where it takes like multiple months. But then again, I might be wrong. I don't know their timeline. Okay, so let's do this side first, and then so come down here, go across. So let me go 6, pump 7. Reactor 7, pump. Copy that because I ain't gonna type it again for this anyway. Reactor 8, pump. There we go. Ow. Right. Yeah. Alright, let's connect this one up as well. So we know where we are. Right. So I'll plonk a pump here now. Pump here now as well. And then that can be the starting point for this one. And then that's it. And then that one can go and connect to that one. That one can go over to here. That's it. Now we can just connect these up now. There's a bit of storage, so it does take time for it to shut down. These bolts won't hold much, so you're pretty much alright on that. Right. Do we reckon as soon as I start pumping these, this will work? Because I have no idea. No idea at all. So, right, so that's that. And if we go pump 7, switch that on. Pump 8, switch that on. Hopefully. You know, we clock these. Right, let's say we clock these. 3, 4. Okay, that's that. Again, no fuel up here. Again, fuel. Come on. When are you working? So I forgot to connect the pump, that's why. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. And we are full. So that's a full 600 pipe. So overclocking is possible with this. Right, let's finish this look off. So there. So this room is like 21 by 21. Which kind of gives you the scale of how big this whole project is. There we go. I am actually tempted in doing... I am tempted in... Well, why didn't I do it that way? That would have been easier, wouldn't it? And then... I think we're ready to test. I think this will work. Alright, let's go back and check all the lines. Oh, good. Let me open this. And let me close it. So, uranium fuel cells come from there, go through here. Yeah, so uranium fuel cells go out of where it's been manufactured. That's a return line. So it just gets put back and put back on the loop. So it comes on there, goes in there, goes all the way around, comes back, goes along here, goes into here, which I haven't sorted out yet. Ah, balls. I didn't think this through, did I? Can you see the problem? Because I can. Yeah, let's just cover that up. As if I just did that. So, which way that's going? That's going that way. Okay. And then this is return. I have now got to redo this. Oh. Right. Oh, I wonder if I can do what I did with... Yeah, I can. Cool. Right, that's going to be too long for that. So, find the centre of this, which is here. I'm hoping not much nuclear waste will be under here. I'm hoping. And then... Yeah, don't look at that. I mean, this is actually finished, so this is actually all working. Stuff is actually moving in here. Well, most of it shut down because there's no uranium waste going through. Ah, I did a free belt system here, didn't I? This is where I find out that I wired it, done it all wrong. Right, okay. So that's sending out. That's a return. Along which will have the waste on it. That's sending out. That's a return. That sounds wrong. That sounds wrong. That sounds wrong. Right, and then that goes to that one. That goes to that one. And I need to redo that one. Yeah. Yeah, I need to redo this. Okay. Because everything in here is wrong. This was a free belt system. This is original design on the other side. It's changed since then. You're about to see how untidy this is as well. Wait a minute. Yeah, we changed it so it comes down here instead. So I ain't got all of this here. I mean, look at the other side compared to this side now. This side's just a mess. So, yeah, I need to redo all of this. But actually, it's salvageable. Really? No, it's not. Because that's facing the wrong way. They ain't going to need that. Not going to need that line. Not going to need that line. Don't need that line now. I think I just made it more difficult for myself. I've made it. Because what it did is that split it into like all the different areas and that, so it like kind of balanced it out. But when you got loads being made, you don't want it balancing out. You just want it used so it doesn't backlog and create problems. Yeah, I'm just gonna redo this. Keep the belts. No, that needs to get rid of. We're saving. You've been playing for 2 hours. And? You're talking to a person who did a 24-hour race in a game. That was the most fun I've ever had. Full 24-hour race in a game. I think I attempted that trying to colour code stuff as well. Yeah, this is when I thought, oh yeah, everything is like in its final place and everything, so I did this like kind of setup. Yeah. And then all of this lot was, I mean, look how much stuff I just like got rid of just by dating it. Crazy. Now, question is, do I want? Arms going numb. Do I need? Oh, there we go. I got blood flowing through it again. So this is how. Right. Oh no. Over there. Oh, hang on. Yeah, it's that way. Cool. Right. So this is the waistline. Now, do I want? Well, ideally, I want waist to go down there. But this line's got. And ideally, I want waist from this side to go down there as well, straight away, instead of it going all the way around. because then I'll just irradiate all the other areas. Because this boat coming in here is going to have the unused uranium rods and the nuclear waste on it. So if I get that to be kicked off here, yeah, if I get it kicked off here, no, smart splitter please, and then uranium waste, and then make sure set that uranium fuel rods, and then on the journey back, I've put a merger here. It might work, it might not. I don't know. Yeah, if I go uranium waste that way, uranium fuel rod that way, nothing out that side. So that solves that problem. And then that solves this problem. Right, but now does it create a new problem? So if I go, is that connected to that? Is that connected? Let me get rid of that. Just double make sure that that is actually connected to that, because then that is to go into there. And then that, so as the uranium fuel rods come up here along with uranium waste, uranium waste gets sent that way, along with stuff from shells 3 and 4. Shell 3, no, this is 3. From shell 4, and any fuel rods which ain't been used in shell 3 get sent to shell 4, and yeah, that'll work. Should work. We'll soon find out. And then I'm in offshore nuclear power plants. I don't know why we ain't done that yet. And what is it going to do if it goes wrong in the open sea? Overheat. Oh, I've left some stands down here as well. Need to clean them up. Let's clean them up while I remember. The wiring's been done in here as different as well. Ah, I've got to redo that as well. That's another day. That is another day. Let me put that on here so I don't forget. Items, finish signs and shell. Oh, hang on. That's a shell list. Let's do this. Redo. Shell free. ISO. Switches. do this first before I start doing the belts. This belt system is a hell of a lot better than what I planned. Yes, it's going to be a spaghetti belt, but it being a spaghetti belt with the fuel rods on allows me to take those fuel rods off and use them for something else. Anything I haven't done yet? Oh, I'd have backed up then. That'd have been bad. Right. These are all connected now, so I can do this one. The other ones need dropping down. We even tried to keep it neat as well. Right, let's start with this one. Hey. Oh yeah. Right, let's get these so I can just go round, put them in. Oh, I did that the same way. Right, let's get I've got 2 more to do. That'd have been bad. Like that. Oh, hang on, I've got one more thing to do as well. This. Overflow. 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 I don't think that's set. Oh no, it did set. Just didn't see the thing pop up. Overflow. 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 So that's all them set up now. Cool. Oh no, that didn't. That is now. Let's check this one out. Yeah. So this is way in here's done. No lighting yet. Just getting it done first, and then the second pass will be made then. Okay, that goes in here, that goes there. That's set up, that's set up. Yeah. And that's going that way. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think we're ready. On a walkway. I think I'm ready. I think. I just don't want to bring uranium in here though. Yeah, you see any returns will come down there and then rods in, waste out, along with any over. Right, so now I've got to work out what I want to do with this return line. And then I've got to work out what I want to do with the other line. So these will be making it. So conveyor merger. Conveyor merger. Merge. If I don't do this now, I'll just forget. Yeah, just yeah, we'll do a single one. There we go. And then that one, and then that one, and then okay, so that down into here, and then that do its rounds. Around the facility, because I know I ain't gonna have a lot coming in. Power. This is, that's half that. Should I do with the overflow cells? To cell storage. With this backs up, then the other will back up. And I might have to switch some of these blenders off then. Right, I've done that. Haven't done your thingy yet. Oh, did I just get rid of too much? I did, didn't I? Oops. Right, I'll sort this out later. There's a lot of sorting out later. Right, so yeah, this is going to be uranium in. So I just need that to go here. Like that. I'm going to need that. To not go like that. Why am I doing it like that? And that's like perfect level. Right. That's uranium sorted. Probably sort that out. Oh, because it's at a different height than where the entrance would be. Okay. That's why I did that. Right. Let's do this. Right, let me run a bus bar across here. That there. Go straight across here. Right. And ideally I could have done these being on this bus bar as well. So grab that and then go like that. One, two, three. Some sulfur. Oh, I ain't got sulfur coming in. Ah, no. No, I should. What? Oh, that's right. I need water as well. Oh. Right, let me sort out the water. Water's easy. I don't think it's going to need much water, so just clear that. I think it's just going to need a 300 by 300. And then oh, there's my power. Let's do a 600 line, shall we? How many of them are? How many? Yeah, I've only got 400 power shells left. It's not good. Knew it was going to do that. These are longer, taller as well. Oh, look at that. Look how close it is to that. Right, what do you reckon? 2 pumps? Where's the first pump put off? There. Right, now we're going to see where this stops now again. So this goes all the way up here. $50, $50, $60, so $110. No. 50, 50, that's 100, 160. 160 per minute, and I've got like 600 line going up to it. I think it's more than enough. So that's now making concrete. I just need to get sulfur line in here now, which I thought I already had coming in, which is going to have to be that line. So this is my sulfur line I need to get in. I've got sulfur over here, but so let's do the same as this. Bring it up to that level. Let's not. Let's do the same again. So that goes in there. So yeah, you need to come out about here. Right. And then that's a floating platform for you. And then that goes straight into not being aligned, which is my bad. Once I know everything's working, I'll redo bits here and there. So that's going all the way in here. I'm going to get rid of that line there because I don't want it hitting that and then stopping. There we go, cool. So I need to get sulfur line now, which is this one. Right. I did the wrong one, didn't I? Right. Sulfur line should kick in now. I just don't want it to like fill up the whole line. You know what? I'll switch that off. That's some cows at a minute. I'm not interested in that in a minute. Uranium drop off. Right. We need to jump in a train and go somewhere to get uranium. We'll go here. Not really finished a train line that way though. Let me grab my train. Half crappy now I don't need. Half crappy now I don't need. He's got a green light. We'll follow him. So right. How much of my railway line? Where did I get up to? All I need to do is get to the uranium deposit. No train in there. Oh yeah, you can tell. Rough layout. Oh, we're supposed to change out. Oh no, that's why I want to redo this. I hate this bit. That goes off to the port spot. Yay, update screwed me over. Oh, screwed me over. So now I've got to redo that line. Oh, this is going to be horrible. And some of the trees have spawned back in as well. Great. Oh, I was in the middle of doing this as well. I did think of running it straight up there, but I got that nice curve there, which is brilliant, and I ran it up here. Can't go wrong with this way. Oh, all the trees have come back as well. I know I've been up here to clear a bit out, but I don't like how that line went then. And then we go into my old gauge train line. it's overgrown since I've been here. Oh, do I do a drone port or do I do a train? Let me just pull forward a bit more so I'm away from the danger. I don't even think this has got power at the minute. Okay, there is 800 down there, but I don't think... Right. Ah, spiders, piss off. Not... I don't mind spiders, but it's just the noise they make. Right. Is that cleared pretty much everything? Damn, they look like the nukes, there you are. Nice. Right then. Anyway. I did put a switch here. Right. Do I really want to connect this up to power now? No. Have I got a fuel port for drones set up already? I think I have. I hope I have. Right. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Bam 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 bam. Oh dear. Bleh, bleh. So, let's do can I build a drone? So that is yes. Now, to make this one batteries in. Batteries in. To make this one uranium out. And then I do this. Right. I need batteries. Or batteries in. No. Need batteries out. Let's do the fuel out. That might be better. Gonna want some fuel now, isn't it? And power. Oh, direct line to them. Oh, it has got enough fuel. Okay. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. There's some more fuel. Hello,
Parts
Ada.
purchase confirmed. Promotion delayed by X times part value plus fix-it stock value.
Right, this we'll need a control from here. So I will do this. Uranium out, drone port. Yeah, it kind of goes. What you do is that you build stuff roughly, and then you kind of go back and change it. As soon as I know that this is going to be fueled up, I just want to see what fuel it brings back. I need to see what fuel it brings back. I don't know. I mean, it's gone all the way over to. It's gone all the way over here. I wish you could name the drone ports. Sulfur, no. Fuel out, there we go. Yeah, that's my drone there. Get the beautiful nectar. There he is. Did my camera just glitch? I think the camera glitched. Glitch? Yeah, it is. It is glitching. Why is it doing that? Yeah, it's done it again. I think my camera's on the way out. Yeah. There we go. Right, so it is the fuel, I think it is. Let's do this. Let's not do this. Let's do this. There we go. Right, I need to jump in this train now and get back. Right, let me do this. I do want train fuel, just in case I do need. Uranium. Or, oh no, I can build that better. Uranium extractor. Uranium extractor. You know what would be even better? They actually belted it up to the drone port. Yeah, that I mean that would have helped. Yeah, that would have helped. Oh dear. Oh, hang on, I can salvage this. He says. Let's salvage this. Just do this. There you go. Switch that on. Oh, yeah, I need a set. This port needs to go to uranium drop off. Is it uranium drop off? Well, that drone's back anyway now. So shell do one of these. Yeah, uranium drop off. This port, uranium drop off. That's it. Now, do I hit for now? Let it fuel up. Right, it's taking its container. Now take this. It ain't gonna need it. Outgoing. Shouldn't have any uranium on, so that'll give me time to get there. Right, maintenance yard. Go. Let's go through everything goes. What time are we on? We'll see this in action and then call it and streaming. Right, just let it run, see if any problems arise, and probably go be on live tomorrow. Problem solved. So we'll see it work and we'll see that reactor getting there. Trying to think if I've set up the storage area. Let's set the storage area to collect uranium fuel rods. There's nothing stopping me from switching on the old system. I don't like this hill at all. Oh, this railway. Don't like it at all. I did it because there was a rush. There was a rush to get it done. I mean, trains going on there. Got a few factories up there ready for stuff to come down, but I ain't got power set up yet for it to do it. I'm hoping this journey, I mean, if this journey is, if the train's there and it's already delivered uranium, then this might be viable for the amount of it proves, where that would be the quickness of how much it moves. That's going to slow us down, isn't it? No, we've got a full green light down the way there. Well, oh, that train's going that way. So glad they moved the gold border back, though. I wasn't able to go past this point here, all of this was outside the border. And I had like a meltdown. Rain was building up. The waste was building up. I was just hoping it wasn't. I could ride a train through it. It's just that without the train, I'd be dead instantly. So. Thanks for taking me out. Manually park it up. Right, oh. I'm hoping I beat it here, because nothing's really switched on at the minute. Nothing says me. Or without a name on it, but uranium drop off. Let's see if this is completing its task. Oh no. Oh, phew. Ooh. Drone on the way. En route. Right, let's get this going, make sure. I don't think it needs pumps. So I've got 32, 128, 100, 100. So 128 take away. Four, 64. Uranium's here. It might be wrong. I might be wrong. That's where that is at the minute. Is that not pumping around? 300 line. Why are these not working? Is uranium not going in? Yep, that would do it. That would do it. Not first green light. second green light? Third green light? That's still building. Still. Right, so that. Oh, I messed up. I ain't put power on these yet. I did the lines. Ah, quick. There we go. And then as soon as we see smoke on the stacks out there, we know we're up and cooking. He says. Whereas nothing that's actually made anything yet. Now it's actually pretty a lot of. Oh. Down to 84 already. I might need to get some fuel rods in here. Or the excess can be used to power the drones in here. Yes. I've worked that out quite well. And get irradiated over this side. As soon as you go here, go this way. No. I'll go back keeping stuff in a corner. I've done it. Right. Have we got any smoke on these stacks yet? No. Have we got any going out? Have we got any going out? We get waste back. I know something's gone seriously wrong. I thought this would be making pretty quick. Of course. Right, keep an eye on the. But we're out of uranium. We've got 100, so depends if the drone is able to come back pretty quick. And where is it now? Oh, it's coming back now. We've got 100 in there, 95 in there, 91 in there, 83 in there. So what I need to do is calculate all of these. 32, yeah, 32 times 4, minus that, which brings you to 64. So these only need to make 64. That is the math. So if it's correct, I might need to put like a oh, we got our first smokestack. Why is it taking so long? I don't even know if this is working. No, that's gone out. The rod's gone out. It's... Oh, that's got 3, but it's not running. Is it not running? No connection. Right, right. No connection. Why is there no connection? Because you forgot the connection. You've done everything else, but you forgot to do the connection for it. You did the connection for this side? Yep, you did the connection for that side. You didn't do the connection for this side, though. Right, no, talking to this. Right. And then this. That. And we just connect everything up. So this reactor should be showing 2,500 watt. So join that onto the grid. Oof. I'll switch that onto the grid. I did put any, didn't I? I did put or overflow. I should have just put any. Because then it'll send the rods into all the others then. Any. Let me test this on this. Any. We are producing. Any. Because then it'll miss one and then. This is this slowly going up. Where did all of those ones come from? Oh, fuel rod's going into another one. There we go. I better check that everything else is working now, haven't I? Right, so the journey of a lifetime. We are going on a journey through time and space. Flip. Oh, fail. Oh, fail. That's going to go through here. And that's going to get pummeled off down the side. Yes! This is working. Right, and then this should be working now. Getting rid of everything in here. There's my way up. There's... Oh, that's bad. That's bad. I switched this off, didn't I? Save power. Everything should be up and running now. Yep, cool. These will keep on top of everything anyway. Well, then this makes the fuel rods, plutonium fuel rods, which get sunk. But then I can take those plutonium fuel rods now, take them from here into the other shell, where I can make them into the Fixonium fuel rods and then have the Fixonium fuel rods do a cycle round over them. So when the Fixonium fuel rods is run out, yeah. I think I might have I think the workings out are wrong at a minute. I think that can power the whole thing here. Because I've done it, gone off the first iteration I built, where 4 manufacturers can power 16 reactors, and now I've doubled it with a summer sloop. So technically, this one building here can power all of these 32, and we're still making. I mean, uniquely waste is pretty low as well. This is why there's like a massive drop between the two. So yeah. So I'm going to let this run for a bit, and if it goes wrong, cry later, and then yeah. I mean, if it's all working, then I'll start putting like walkways and everything in here. Get all the switches set up in the switch room here. All the different processes it goes through, and some of these I've like built up quite a lot. So I mean, these are built up. I've got some sloops to the wazoo. I mean, these are already building up, so I'm overproducing there. So they could probably be knocked down. That's the last thing I want is like a shitload of uranium in here. But then again, that's what this is for. So for any of the excess, I just branch it off here, comes up, goes in here, goes out to the weapons factory. So it's kind of like second purpose. I don't think I need to go through that hole anymore. Oh, there's none in there now. Oh no, there it is. So these should be like ticking over quite nicely now. So what it should be doing is taking the liquid from here first, which is exactly what it's doing. Yeah, it seems to be working alright. That's keeping constant. Yeah, so if you do that on your builds, so have the return coming at the bottom, and then the output goes along the top, goes along here. So this is what's coming from the refineries, so it's going all the way along here, all the way along, and then it loops back, but it picks these up before making its way back round, and then it fills these up first. So these are full, it's just that I'm just limiting it to what's there, and it's even the lines for actually. Oh, this has got a bit of flow, so it is circulating. just dropped it off. Oh. I thought I'd need to put like an overflow on the uranium. Doesn't look that way. How many have we got up and running now? Still only got 3 up and running. That must be the nuclear waste variant, yeah. Messing up the timings. I reckon that's what would be happening. Yeah. Are we into this? Bow, bow. So you got uranium in that one now. Got any uranium in this one? No. Set up correctly? Yeah. Uranium fuel rod. There's 17 in here already. I mean, I like to think I'd be able to like overclock. I don't know how. It's not a problem then. Oh, we have got an extra boost of power. Oh, it's got 11 in there. Oh, that's got 2 now. That's got none. I think it's just a luck of the draw at the minute. It's got none. That's got none. But I have got like a massive. Oh, let's go. I have got like massive. I need to get those uranium rods from over there over to here as well now. I don't want to oversaturate this. I mean, I could do it and then have return line bring. Oh yeah, return line. Ain't. Yeah. Let me just do something for return line. Do this. Do small line. Small line up to here. Small line. Oh, it's this. Oh, rod's going out now. And then what we'll do is bring that. So they'll come back in. They'll go back out. They'll just loop around and then go back out. And that's Oh, that didn't last long on that one, did it? Right, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and hopefully this has worked. Hopefully my math is mathing. Hopefully my math is mathing. Hopefully. Right, see you later. The stream has ended. Missed it? Catch up on YouTube or follow to be notified for the next time. See ya.